Damn, Danielle! Back at it again with another video.
Made another one. Huh? Packing the mail, it's gone. She like I smell cologne. Yeah. I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you guys in today's video the most easiest and simplest way to wash your weave. Like, it will be flowing like this after we're done. Like, I promise you. So let's just get right into the video. So y'all can see that there's like a lot of glue on mine from doing it down. Like, y'all can see all that oil and shine that's built up in it. Like, it just needs to be washed so bad. Like, it's stiff at this point. When I curl it, like, it don't even, the curls don't stay, and it looks all stiff and dry. So that's how you know this is time to wash this hair, honey. Like, she needs to be washed. So I start by putting mine on my mannequin head. Like I told you, this is like the easiest way to wash your wig. Like, it doesn't get tangled, and then when it's time for it to dry, you automatically have something for it to dry on. So I go and I put the band on, and then I get ready to turn on the water. So with me, it doesn't really matter like if the water's like hot or cold or whatever the case may be. Like, it's still going to get washed. So I just turn the shower on, and I'm moving like the rug out the way and making sure the hair is like getting all drenched in water. Like, it needs to be soaking wet. And I use the Aussie shampoo and conditioner. It doesn't really matter like the type, because they have like so many different kinds, but I use this one because this is just what I use on my head. And if I use it on my head and it's safe for my head, you know, like, it can be used on my weave. So I'm like basically raking the shampoo through the hair, like using my fingertips, making sure it's getting all throughout the weave, while at the same time making sure it's getting wet at the same time. And I just have like this detangling brush, so I'm brushing like any knots or tangles out of the hair, while at the same time making sure that, excuse me, at the same time making sure I'm raking the shampoo through the hair. Like, I'm making sure it gets from the roots all the way to the ends. Like, this hair is about to be so freaking clean. And at the same time, you can notice that because I put in a mannequin head, it just gives me so much power versus putting it in the sink like I used to do, and it's like getting tangled at the bottom, or it's not exactly getting all the shampoo through. So with this way, it's automatically, all the shampoo is getting through, it's getting nice and clean. Like, right here, I'm just getting like the top where it was like nice and dirty at, and raking it through at the same time. Like, you can already, I promise you guys, when you do it this way, you're gonna be like, oh well, this is the most easiest and effective way ever to wash a wig. Like, why not do it this way? So now I'm just like putting more shampoo through the hair. Give you guys a close up so you guys can see. So I'm putting more shampoo through the hair, making sure I'm focused up here at the top, because that's where most of the glue was and most of the product is. Like, when you're trying to get your closure or lace front to like lay down flat, you put in a lot of product near the top of the head. So right here, I'm just basically rinsing out the hair at the same time, and I'm brushing it. So I think I'm gonna pick up the head if I don't remember it, so that I can just mostly get it through the water. Since I have like a nice size tub, water is not getting everywhere. You would think that the water is getting like all on the floor, but it's not. So I'm just picking up the head, making sure that the hair is getting like completely drenched, because when I have it on a mannequin head, I kind of have it so where it's not a lot of water getting on it, so I can still work the products through, but at the same time, the water is getting on it. So right here, this part, I'm just focusing, making sure I got like the glue off the lace. I pretty much did. I'm just still making sure like all the glue is going. Like, I don't want to leave no glue. So again, now, this time for the conditioner part. So with conditioner, I work it through the top, and then I start the same way I did the shampoo. Basically, I'm combing it through. So I think at this point, I already turned the shower off, because I like to leave conditioner in my weaves for like a good minute, because if it's just like in a bad state where I just know it needs like that extra love and that extra tenderness, I would leave the conditioner in for sometimes extra hours, sometimes overnight. It just really depends. When I'm doing my curly hair, I definitely leave the conditioner in way longer than I would if I was doing like straight hair or body wave hair, because curly hair just needs so much more love. So here I'm just making sure that the conditioner is like working through the hair. Like, you see, I'm separating the hair, making sure it's all in there, making sure it's on the ends. I think after that while the hair, because you can see my clothes are changed, so the conditioner has been sitting in the hair for like hours or maybe a day. So it's probably in the next day at this point, and I'm washing the conditioner out the hair. I have to move to my other bathroom, but I'm washing the conditioner out the hair the same way I did with the shampoo, while letting the water rinse through the hair and brushing at the same time to make sure it's through. And at this point, you can pretty much tell when the conditioner is out because the hair won't be looking so soapy anymore, and it won't be looking all stiff. So when you're rinsing the conditioner out the hair, make sure you're brushing through. Like when people are washing their hair, they forget to get like the nape of the back of the hair. They forget to get that part, and that's the most important part because that part get all tangled up from sitting on the back of your neck. Like you see me getting back there, that part gets the most tingliest and it has like the most dirt because all the sweat and everything from sitting on the back of your hair. Like you want to make sure you're getting that part. So at this point, I'm like pretty much done. The hair has been clean, shampoo, conditioned, and I usually let my hair sit overnight to dry. And this is like the end result. Like this has been overnight, it's fully dried, and sitting it on the mannequin to help it dry fully, and it's so flowy. Like look at that. The hair is like completely clean. Like I'm even gonna show you guys another one that I cleaned a day before. And this was a hair that has been bleached, so the color, like it used to be black and now I bleached it so it like this brown blonde looking color, and you can see it's still flowy too, and it's just nice and clean. So if you guys enjoyed this wash day video, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.